Hello everyone, today it's about this bad boy, yes, GoPro Hero 9 Black. This will be my main camera for travel videos which you guys like a lot apparently. And also along with this, Shorty, yes, this will be another one I'll be unboxing, and also this Sandisk Extreme which I got along with all of this together. I got it from Amazon of course, but the experience was terrible. So if you're planning to buy this, of course probably you should stick around, yeah. Okay, let's start with Shorty. So yeah, this is kind of okay. This is from official. This is an official GoPro merchandise. So this is supposed to be good, and I cannot tell you just by looking at it. Okay, this came out really easy. Okay, does it have anything else? Okay, this apparently doesn't have anything else. Good. Some kind of documents, who cares about them? Let's keep it aside. Okay, thank you. So, okay, this looks pretty small. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger though. But yeah, it's actually the name Shorty suits it. Okay. So this should extend. Okay, this is the maximum it can extend to, which is also not too long. All right, and let's see how stable this is. Yeah, this should be stable. Yeah, it's very small though. I was expecting it to be a little longer, but yeah, it's pretty sturdy. That's what I feel. Okay, this one, this is the Sandisk Extreme. This comes around I think 1000 something, 1500. I'll put all the cost below. And let's get into this real quick. I think this is the worst possible way to take it out, but again, the output matters. And finally we have this Sandisk 128 GB, and this one is if you see, the speed is pretty good, 160 MB up to this read, and 90 MB per second, that's the write. And I think there's another version which is Extreme Pro also, which is even costlier, but let's see how this works out, and then eventually I can try about the other one. So finally the bad boy in the ring. This is the Hero 9 Black. This is the Indian unit, and this comes with this very nice box also, which I really liked. And also this comes with a GP1 processor and not GP2. The Hero 10 comes with GP2, but I think that will be costing 20,000 more than this, somewhere around 20,000. So I was thinking, and also I think it will not come before December in India. So let's see. Now getting into this main feature which I'm interested in, I think I don't know, a lot of people why they do not use the voice control. This I see it's pretty cool. And also second thing, also the slow-mo and underwater, definitely. Let's get into this. Okay, so how do I do this without harming the... They have a lot of plastic though. I think it's time for... Okay, this looks good. Yep. Sorry, it's because of the sticker. It doesn't have to be that nice. Right now I'm really interested to see what's inside. So brutal unboxing aside. Okay, this looks cool. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. I think good job on this. This is not waterproof, but I think this is, they call it weatherproof. This looks pretty nice. I think GoPro 10 comes with blue in this probably. That's the only change apart from the GP2 processor. Whoa. This looks amazing. A prize in a box. I saw a lot of other unboxing videos also, and I didn't think this was this small, you know. And I did not. This is my first GoPro, So yeah, if you already have a GoPro, probably for you this can be bigger, but I had bigger cameras before. So okay, first something that we don't care about, let's keep them aside. They should be having, yeah, they are the stickers. I don't know, but let's keep them aside. Okay, this cable, so okay, USB to type C cable. Okay, let's keep that aside, or probably here. Okay, this is the clamp. I think this is for your car mount. I think this I'll be using, but I don't like to stick something like permanently. I don't know, so it's good that that's there. So yeah, I think this is something which, let's see, that's figuring it out. But the material is pretty solid though. Yeah, that's the battery. This time it's bigger than GoPro 8, so yeah. And I always love this part, you know, the way you can easily take it out. Feels pretty solid as well. So let's keep this aside too. And the last mount, I think this is yeah, this goes to the, this can go in the handle and other things. So let's keep this aside as well. Let's get, yep, the man of the moment. Thank you so much. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. I don't know if you guys are understanding how small this is. Like, look at this. This itself is small, the Shorty, and this is very small. To pack that kind of like 5K image in this, like, that's amazing, yeah, in one word. Yeah, so let's take the one. Oh, that feels good. Second one. Oh. Okay, I was admiring the beauty actually. This is very small and very cool. Let's take this off as well. Nice. Okay, well, to open this I almost thought that I'm gonna break this. So that's too hard. I mean, yeah, you can make it easier. Yeah, it's up. Oh, this looks cool. So, see you on the other side. So before I try it out, let me tell you some things which I should mention, because if you are trying to or planning to buy one of this. So for me, what happened with Amazon was I bought this, but that specific day I was not available to pick this up, and I didn't give the OTP to anyone because I was busy in some calls and I didn't pick it up. So somehow they still marked it as delivered, so I had to follow up with them. So that's a crazy process. Probably if you guys are interested, you just let me know. I'll probably put another video on this. I don't want to stretch this one, but definitely if you are getting this, make sure you pick up the call, because yeah, otherwise if it goes to the next day, I'm pretty sure this will not work out, and eventually you need to get your money back and then also get it, something like that. Yeah, and also I have a lot of other items that I've got with this. This is separately. There was another box that I got. Probably I'll get into these other accessories later. So let me try this out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.